Hello, welcome. In this video, let's see the VRO 2018 Secretarial Ability question paper with answers held on September 16, 2018. And in this video, you can see solutions for the mental ability questions, logical reasoning questions, numerical abilities questions, mathematical abilities questions from question number 76 to 135, that is overall 60 questions, which was held on September 16, 2018 for VRO. This is the syllabus which was given for the exam at that time. 76 question. 5 1 by 2 minus 2 by 3 or 4 by 5 by 2 divided by 1 by 6 minus of 3 by 5 plus 2. So here we follow the bottommost rule. First 5 1 by 2 we can write it as 5 into 2 10 plus 1 11 by 2. Similarly 2 by 3 of 4 by 5 is 2 into 4 8 by 3 into 5 15. Next 2 divided by 1 by 6, that is 2 into 6 12. Next 3 by 5 plus 2, that is equal to 13 by 5. Now we can put the values here. So 5 1 by 2 is 11 by 2 minus 2 by 3 of 4 by 5 is 8 by 15. 2 divided by 1 by 6 is 12, because we are following the bottommost rule. So bottommost rule, first we will do division. So that's why first I have done division here, then multiplication also here. I have opened this mixed fraction into normal fraction. Next addition 3 by 5 as its bracket. So first we will do in the brackets. 3 by 5 plus 2 is 13 by 5. So if you put it, so you'll get it as 165 minus 16 by 30, that is 149 by 30. This is numerator 1. Now coming to denominator, 12 minus 13 by 5, that is 47 by 5. So now both if I divide 149 this, we get 149 into 5 by 30 into 47, that is 149 by 282. So answer is option 1, 149 by 282. Next question number 77. If a by 2 is equal to b by 3 is equal to c by 5, what is the value of a plus b plus c by c? Now first a by 2 is equal to b by 3 is equal to c by 5. Let us consider it as some constant equals to k. Then a will be 2k, b will be 3k and c will be 5k. Now substitute in the equation a plus b plus c by c, that is equals to 2k plus 3k plus 5k by 5k. So that is 10k by 5k. 10 k cancel, 5 ones are 5 2s are 2. So the answer is option 2 2. Now 78th one, if 3x plus 7y is equal to 78 and x plus 3y is equal to 32, then 2x plus y is equals to how much? Now let this 3x plus 7y is equal to 78 be the first equation, and then the second equation also we will make x as equal, so that if we subtract we can get the value of y. So to make it equal, what I can do it as 3x. If I multiply by 3, then both side it will be 3x. So 3 into x plus 3y is equal to 32. So that is 3x plus 9y is equal to 3 into 32 is 96. This is second equation. From equation 1 and 2, if I subtract both, what happens? This 3x and 3x will get cancelled. So this 9y minus 7y is equal to 96 minus 78. That is 2y is equal to 18. Y is equal to 9 is the answer which we get. Now we will substitute in the first equation, x plus 3 into y, or second equation, any equation you can substitute. X plus 3 into y is equal to 32. So from that x we will get it as 5. Now substitute in the equation, 2x plus y is equals to how much? So 2x is plus y is equal to 2 into x is 5 we got it, and y is 9 we got it. So if you substitute, the answer is 19, option number 3. 79. Rupees 3600 is divided among A, B, C. If A share is 1 by 2 of B share and B share is 2/3 of C share, then what is the share of B? Whenever we get like this, first from the unknown we'll come to the known. So let's think that C is X. Let the share of C be X. Then what will be the B share? 2/3 of C, that is 2/3 of X, that is 2 by 3 X. And A is half of the B share, that is half of 1 by 2 of 2 by 3 of X, that is 1/3 of the X, because 2 and 2 will get cancelled, 1 by 3 into X. Now what is given? The sum is given as 3600. A plus B plus C is equal to 3600. So let's substitute that 1 by 3 X plus B is 2/3 of X plus X is equals to 3600. Now if we solve this, X plus 2X, take the LCM of 3, X plus 2X plus 3X by 3 is equal to 3600. So 6X by 3 is equal to 3600. X is equals to 1800. So Now what they have asked for us, the share of, now this is x. X means what is the share of c. So what is b here? 2 by 3 of x, 2 by 3 into 1800. Okay, now that is equals to 1200. 2 by 3 of 1800, that is equals to 1200. Instead of doing all this, we can do like this also. If c we consider as 1, if c is we are taking as 1, if c is 1, then what will be the b? It's 2/3, so 2 by 3, and a is 1/2 of b share, that is half of the b share. Half into 2 by 3, 2 cancels, 1 by 3, so 1 by 3 is 2, 2 by 3 is 2, 1 also we can do that. So if you take, then it will be, if you take the LCM of 3, what it will become? 1 is to 2 is to 3, 1 is to 2 is to 3. So totally how many parts? 6 parts are there. So b share will be 2 by 6 into, total is given as 3600. So that is 1200. So like this also we can do. Now answer is option 2, 1200. Now next, 80th question. If 1 by 4 plus 1 by 5 plus 1 by x is equals to 6, then what is the value of x? Now 1 by 4 plus 1 by 5. What is 1 by 4 plus 1 by 4? Take the 4 and 5 LCM is 20, so it will be 9 by 20. Now 1 by x is equals to 6. If we take that side, minus 9 by 20. So that is equal to triple 1 by 20. Then x is reciprocal of that, that is 20 by triple 1. Answer is option 4. Now next one, question number 81. If root 3 is 1.372, root 192 is minus 1 by 2 into root of 48 minus root 75 is how much? So they have given a hint of root 3. So if we convert all this in the form of root 3, we can get the answer. So simply divide 192 by 3, we will know it's divisible by which number. So 192 we can write it as 64 into 3. So root of 64 into 3. Root of 64 is 8. So that is 8 root 3. Similarly, root of 48 also we can write it into 16 into 3. That is 4 root 3. And root 75 is root of 25 into 3. That is 5 root 3. Now if we substitute 8 root 3 minus 2 root 3 minus 5 root 3. So that equal to root 3. The answer is 1.732, option 2. Now next question, 82nd question. In a class there are total 90 students, so total number of students is 90, and their average marks in annual examination is 50. So average marks is given as 50. If average marks passed students is 70 and average marks of failed students is 40, then find out the number of students failed in the examination. So total students is 90, average is 50, so total marks is 90 into 50. So no, so that is 4500. Total marks is 4500. Now if we consider x as the number of failed students, we can do x as number of passed students. In that way also we can do. Now if I consider x as number of failed students, then the passed students will be, if x is failed, so total are 90 students, so pass will be 90 minus x. Passed students is 70 and average of failed students is 40. So passed is 70. So 70 into 90 minus x plus 40 into x is equals to total marks, that is 4500. Yes or no? Pass, the average of passed into the students plus average of failed into number of students is equal to total marks. We have to get it. So if we solve this, from this we'll get x is equals to 60. Answer is option 4, 60. Question number 83. A cricketer scored some runs in his continuous 15 innings. So they are not telling what is the scores. He scored some runs in 15th innings. He scored 100 runs in 16th innings and increases his average by 2 runs. So average in the 16th run increases by 2 runs. What was the average of his runs at the end of 16th innings? So average they are asking at the end of 16th innings. So we don't know what is the average of 15th innings. So we are supposing that the average of 15th innings is x. So we know that average is total score divided by total innings. Then the total runs in the 15 innings will be 15 into x, because average we are thinking it as x and total score we don't know. By total innings, how many innings? 15 innings they played. So the total runs will be, total score or total runs in those 15 innings will be 15x. And then they gave that then the total innings was 16th innings is, and in 16th innings what they told, in that innings he scored 100. So 100, so till 16 innings how much it will be? 100 plus above 15x. So that will be the total. Now what will be the new average? 15x plus 100 by, in how many innings? 16 is equals to how much the run rate increased by 2, and his average increases by 2 they are telling. So that should be equals to this average plus 2 runs. So if we solve this, 15x plus 100 is equals to 16x plus 16 to 2 32. So from that x we will get it as 68. So what will be the new average? This is the previous average. It increased by 2 runs, yes or no? So 68 plus 2, that is 70. Answer is 70. Question number 84. In a class, 2/3 students are girls and the rest are boys. So if girls are 2/3, rest are boys means whole get boys, 1 minus 2 by 3, that equals to 1 by 3. And then next what is given? 1/5 of the girls and 3/4 of the boys are absent. So 1/5 of the girls are absent means, so what will be the present will be? So out of 2 by 3 minus 2/3, 1/5 of 2/3 means 2 by 3 into 1 by 5, that is 2 by 15. So that is equal to 8 by 15. So take the LCM of 15, then you'll get it as 8 by 15. Now next 3/4 of the boys are absent. So present how we will get? So total number of boys is how much we got? 1 by 3 minus, now 3/4 of 1 by 3 means 3 and 3 cancels, 1 by 4. So 1 by 3 minus 1 by 4, that is 1 by 12. So now what is the part present? So you'll get it as 8 by 15 plus 1 by 12. Now take the LCM, 60 will be the LCM. So answer is 37 by 60. Instead of all this method, simple method what we can do is, if girls are 2/3, then the boys will be 1 minus 2 by 3, that is equals to 1 by 3. If we consider total as one part, in that one part girls are 2/3 part, then boys will be 1 minus 2 by 3, that is 1 by 3. Now absent, what is absent given? 1/5 of the girls and 3/4 of the boys are absent. So 1/5 of 2 by 3, that is 2 by 3 into 1 by 5, plus boys is 1/3 na? So 1/3 of 3 by 4, 3 cancel, 1 by 4, that is 23 by 60. Now absent is 23 by 60. So what will be the present? 1 minus 23 by 60, that is 37 by 60. Now 85. The salary of an employee of a company increases every month by 5%. If his salary in March was 7,500, then what would be his approximate salary in the month of May of the same year? Now in March, what is his salary? 7,500. Next, in April, what happens? It increases by 5%. Yes or no? So 7,500 plus 5 into 7,500 by 100, that equal to 7875. Then in May also it increases 5% on this. So 7875 plus 5 into 7875 by 100. So you will get it as 8268.75. So answer is near approximate we have to take. So 8269. Option 1, 8269. Now this is the formula. Like this also you can do. Future salary is equal to present salary into 1 plus rate of increment whole to the power of n. So what is the present salary? 7,500 into 1 plus what is the increment they gave? 5%. So 5 by 100 whole to the power of, they are still May. So no. So March, April, May, 2 months. So how much? Whole power 2. So that if you solve this, you will get the same answer. So you can do in any one of the method. Now 86. Ramaya purchased an item for rupees 10,000. So the cost price is 10,000 and sold it again at a gain of 40%. Now selling price is 10,000 plus 40% gain on 10,000. So 40 into 10,000 by 100. So that is equal to 14,000. Now next, from that amount he purchased another item and sold it at a loss of 25%. So next selling price will be 14,000 and it's a loss. So you have to do subtraction, minus 25 into 14,000 by 100. So 14,000 minus, if you solve this you will get it as 3,500, that is 10,500. So is it a profit or gain? What is the overall gain or loss? So first he purchased for 10,000. Now we sold it for 10,500. So there is a gain of 500. So the answer is option 2, gain of 500. This we can do in this formula also. A plus B plus or minus AB by 100. Here A is positive, means gain means we will add Loss means we will do subtraction. So 40. Now next is loss. So minus 25 minus of, because it is a loss, 40 into 25 by 100. So if you solve it, you will get it as 5%. So 5% of 10,000 is 500 gain. As it is positive, we get it as gain. So we can do like this also, like this also. Now next question, 87. A person has 1000 kg of sugar. This will do by allocation method, part of which is sells at 8%. So part of it which is selling for 8% and rest at 18% profit. So in 1000 kg of sugar, part is selling for 8% profit and part is selling for 18% profit. Okay, one I am taking it as 18%, the other one as 8%. He gains 14% on the whole. So overall we will keep it in between. So overall how much he is gaining? He is gaining 40%. Now we will subtract like this, 18 minus 14, so that is 4. Now 14 minus 8, that is equal to 6. Cancellations we can do, 2 table, 2 3s are 6, 2 2s are 4. So 3 is to 2. Now next what they asked here, on the whole, the quality sold at 18% profit is, what is the quality sold at 8% profit? So 18% profit, so that is equal to 1000. So total 1000 kg na, 1000 into what is here, 3 by 3 plus 2. 3 into 3 by 3 plus 2, because they are asking 18% profit, near 18% profit. So that is equal to 600 kg. So answer is 600 kg. Understood? So first profit will put it here, the next profit will put it here. Overall profit is 14%. So 18 minus 14, 4. 14 minus 8, 6. Cancellation 3 by 2. So total 1000 kg. So 1000 into, for 18% they are asking, so here 3 by 3 plus 2, so that equal to 600 kg. Now next one, 88. If income of Sneha is 30% more than that of Abhi, then income of Abhi is how much percent less than that of Sneha? So what they are asking, income of Sneha is 30% more than Abhi. So from Abhi, if Abhi is 100, then what will be the Sneha's income? 130, because 30% more. So we are thinking Abhi as 100, Sneha's will be 130, 30% more. Then income of Abhi is how much percent less than that of Sneha? So we have to find the percentage difference. So 130 minus 100 by 130, because we are considering from the part of Sneha, so that's why we'll put it as 130. 130 minus 100 by 130 into 100, so you'll get it as 300 by 13%, that is option 4. Now question number 89. In a certain time, a sum becomes 3 times at a rate of 10% per annum simple interest. At what rate per annum simple interest the same sum becomes 6 times in the same duration? Like this, when it's given, we can apply this formula, it will be easy. Now the second rate of interest is equal to m minus 1 by n minus 1 into r1. So that is equals to, first what is this, 6 times in the same duration they are asking, and before was 3 times. So m is 6 and then n will be 3. So 6 minus 1 by 3 minus 1 into r1. What is the first rate of interest? 10%. So that is 10. So 5 by 2 into 10, 2 5s are 5 5s are 25. So answer is 25. Understood? This is a simple way which we can do. Sum becomes 3 times they ask, and they are asking for 6 times. So m will take it as 6, and the first one will take it as n. And then like this we'll find the rate of interest. Now 90. A sum of money invested at compound interest amounts to rupees 1000 in 2 years and 1200 in 3 years. So in 3 years how much is getting? 1200. In sum of the money invested at a compound interest amounts to 1000 in 2 years. In 2 years it is 1000 and 3 years it is 1200. So what is the difference? 1200 minus 1000, that is 200. Now they are asking you to find the rate of interest. So rate of interest is equal to, what is the interest you got now? First it was 1000, 1200. So what's the difference in the interest? 200. 200 by 1000 into 100, that is 20%. Okay, that's the way you can do. The other way also, so the amount in 2 years is 1000, amount in 3 years is 1200. So we know the formula: a is equal to p into 1 plus r by 100 all to the power of n. A amount, the initial amount is 1000, so 1000 is equal to p into 1 plus r by 100 first 2 years, so whole square, that is 1. Now next 1200, 1200 is equal to p into 1 plus r by 100 for 3 years whole cube. Now equation 1 by 2. Now if we divide the equation 2 by 1, that is 1200 by 1000 is equal to p cancels, 1 plus r by 100 whole cube by whole square means this goes, and 1 plus r by 100 remains. So that is equals to, but 1200 by 1000 means that is 0.2, this 100 it comes here into 100, so that is equal to 20%. Like this also we can do, this way also we can do. Answer is option 2, 20%. 19, 91, the ratio of incomes of Venkana and Saidulu is 7:5. Okay, and the ratio of their expenditures is 3:2. Their incomes is 7:5, expenditures is 3:2. Now first let's consider x is the income and y as an expenditure. Okay, then the income will be 7x and 5x, and expenditure will be 3y and 2y. Now both saves the same amount, yes or no? 3000. So what would be the saving? How will we get the saving? From the income, if we subtract the expenditure, we will get the saving is 3000. So first income is 7x minus expenditure 3y, so 7x minus 3y is equal to 3000. Similarly, now Saidulu's 5x minus 2y is equals to 3000. Now if we solve both, we'll get x as 3000 and y as 6000. Now sum of their incomes they are asking, so sum of the incomes is 7x plus 5x, that is 12x, that is 12 into 3000, that is 36,000. Answer is option 3. Now question number 92. If the price of an item is increased by 30% and then allows two successive discounts of 10% and 10% in the last, the price of an item is. Now for example, if we consider the price is 100 rupees, first it's increased by 30%. So on 100, if we increase 30%, 100 plus 30, that is 130. Next, the selling price, what happens, and allows two successive discounts. Two discounts we are giving, that is 10% and 10%. That is 90% off, 90% off 130, because 10% from 100, if you remove 10%, it's a discount we are giving 10%. 10% if we remove, the selling price will be 90% off. Again 10% on that. So 90% of 90% of 130. That is 90 by 100 into 90 by 100 into 130. That is 5.3%. Okay. Answer is 4 increased by 5.3%. Number 93. If air is represented as green and green is called C, C is called red, red is called blue, and blue is called water, water is brown, then what is the color of blood? What is the color of blood? Normally red. So red is represented here as blue. So answer is option 3, blue. Now next question 94. Read the following information to answer the questions. A, B, C, D, E and F are sitting in a row. So in a row they are sitting facing north. E and F are in the center. What they said, E and F are in the center. So it might be here or here. E can be here or E can be here. F can be here or here. E and F are in the center. Next, A and B at the ends. So definitely we know A and B are ends, and but we don't know the placement. Here first A can be, here first A or B, A or B at the ends. Next, C is sitting on the left of A. So see what they gave an hint here. C is sitting on the left of A. This is the left direction and this is the right direction. Yes or no? If A is here, this is the left direction. So then can the A be here? No. So A should be here only. A should be here only. So given C is on the left of A, so definitely A should be at the last. So let's mark A as here. Next one. Who is sitting 3 places on the right of D? They are asking who is sitting on the 3 places right of D. Now if A is this, then what is this? This is B. Yes or no? And they are sitting 3 places right of D. So this will be the D. If this then the option for D is this only, because right of D, 1, 2, 3, right of D. What will be left out here? C. So answer is 3 places right of D is C. Answer is option 2, C. Now 95th. Read the following two statements carefully and select the right conclusion statements. All men are dogs. First, what they are telling? All men are dogs. So like this will represent yes or no in the Venn diagram. All men are dogs. All dogs are cats. All dogs are cats. So this is all dogs are cats. Now what's the conclusion we are giving? All men are cats. Are all men cats? Yes, all men are cats. Now next, all cats are men. All cats are men? No, there are few things, few cats which are not men also. So this is wrong. So this option will be wrong. This is right we are getting. This is wrong. Now next, all cats are dogs. Are all cats dogs? No, there are some cats left out which are not dogs also. Now next, all dogs are men. Now see, all dogs. Are all dogs men? No, only some dogs are men. So this is also wrong. So what is the answer we are getting? Option 1, all men are cats is correct. Now next, question number 96. Read the following two statements. Similarly, statement all cooks are employees. What they gave? All cooks are employees. Next one, some employees are workers, and from this some employees they gave it as workers. Now let's see the options here. No worker is an employee. No worker is an employee. Can we say that? No, some workers are employees. So this is wrong. No, all cooks are workers. All cooks are workers. Are all cooks workers? No, they have given relation only for workers and employees. So we don't know about cooks. So we can't say this also. Next, all employees are cooks. All cooks are employees, but are all employees cooks? No. So this is also wrong. Next, some employees are cooks. Yes, some employees are cooks. All cooks are employees. Then that means some employees are cooks. This is right. So what is the answer for us? Option 4, some employees are cooks. Now next, 97. If light is coded as GILTH, find the code for rainy. This is simple. See what they have done here. Here what they have done, LIG, this first three letters is written reverse, GIL. Similarly, next two letters, HT, that is written as TH. So similarly, RAI will be IAR. So IAR. NY will be reverse YN. So what is the answer for this? Option 1. Now next, if multiplication symbol is represented by plus, division is replaced by multiplication, subtraction is replaced by division, and addition is replaced by subtraction, then what will be? So simply subtract here. Now 40. Now this is division. So division will become multiplication. 40 into 20 minus subtraction will become division. So divided by 5. Next into multiplication is given. So that will become plus 10. Now next last one. What is that is given? Plus is given. Plus 5. So that will become plus is replaced by minus. So minus 5. So here also BODMAS we have to follow first. So 40 into, so first we will do for 20 divided by 5, that is 4 plus 5. So 40 into 4 is 160 plus 5, that is 165. Answer is option 2, 165. Now if tour is written as 1, 2, 3, 4, clear is written as clear is written as 5, 6, 7, 8, 4. Spare is written as so and so. What is the code for care? The simple ma. For C, what is C here? C here 5. So first C will be 5. So 5 starting, only these two are there. So these two for us cancel. This 2 is wrong. So 5. Next A. Where is A here? From last the second one. So that will be 8. So this is the answer. That's it. No need to waste the time. Answer is option 4, 5847. Now next 100th question. Now this also we'll do in the Venn diagram. One is English, one is Hindi, one is Telugu. Like this we'll take. So here for us in the question they have given 5 speak all the 3 languages. So all 3 languages 5. So we have kept it here. Okay. And then Next, from the last, if you see here, see 15 can from here 12 students can speak both Telugu and Hindi. So Telugu and Hindi 12 can speak. So 12 minus 5, that is 7. Okay, here 12 minus 5, that is equals to 7. Now next one, 15 students can speak both Hindi and English. 15 students both Hindi and English. So 15 minus 5, that is 10. Now 18 can speak both English and Telugu. 18. So 18 minus 5, 13. Understood? Now total, if we come to number of students who speak English is 30. So English is 30. So first add all this and remove 30 from there. 10, 20, 25, 28. So 30 minus 28, that is 2. Similarly do it for Hindi. Add these 3, subtract from 40, that is 18. Next, Telugu is 30, they said. So add these 3, then subtract it from 30. So then you'll get it as 5. Now what question they asked? How many students can speak only Hindi? So only Hindi, what is the answer? We are getting it as 18. So answer is option 2, 18. Now next, 101. In a row, Anil is in 11th position from the left and Bhushan is 10th position from the right. Now if we consider this, A and B, Anil and Bhushan, is 11th from the left and Bhushan is 10th from the right. If Anil and Bhushan interchange their places, now what is happening? They are interchanging. That is, Anil's place Bhushan is coming, Bhushan's place Anil is coming. If interchange, then Anil becomes 18th from the left. Now they interchange. What is Anil becoming? 18th from the left. So from the before the Bhushan place where he is standing, now Anil is standing. So he is 18th from the left. How many will be there? Now 18 means before how many are there? 17 are there. Now before his 10th from the night. So totally how many are there? 9 people are there that side and including him 1. So totally how many people are there in that row? 17 plus 9 plus 1, 10 plus 17, that is 27 are there in the row. Now what they asked in the question, are there in the row other than Anil and Bhushan? So total 27. From that remove Anil and remove Bhushan. So remove 2, the answer is 25. Now 1 or 2, in a board exam 53% passed in biology, 61 passed in English, 60 in social studies, 24 in biology and English, 35 in English and social, 27 in biology and social studies and 5% in the month. In total 100%, 5% failed. None, they said none. Fail or something, they said 5% none. So they didn't pass in anything only. So in this, now how we can do? Now bio plus English plus social. From that, if we remove bio English, English social and bio social, we should get total 95% because only they are the past people. So bio is 53 plus 61 plus 60 minus of, okay, minus of, here it's minus, okay, it's minus not plus, here it is minus, minus of 24 plus 35 plus 27 plus all the 3 past will be there na, plus BES is equals to 95. Now if we solve, we get it as 7. That is, answer is 7%. All the 3 subjects passed is 7%. Next, 103. A family consists of a couple. There are 3 sons and 2 daughters. The elder of the 2 sons who got married was blessed with 2 daughters. How many females are there in the family? So totally how many are there? See here. Totally how many people are there? First, it's a couple. So in that couple, mother is there. Mother and father. So one mother is there. There are 3 sons and 2 daughters. Again 2 females are there. So 2 daughters. The elder of the 2 sons who got married. So totally how many sons got married? 2 sons got married. So 2 wives. So elder has 2 daughters. So 2 granddaughters of them. So totally 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 family members. Answer is option 3. Next, 104. Study the following information carefully. Ajay, Bhupati, Chandra, David, Ishwar and Vinay are sitting in a bench facing in the same direction. They are sitting in the bench facing same direction. Chandra is sitting in between Ajay and Ishwar. So what is it? First, I'll represent in ACEs here. Okay, ABCDs. So Ajay and Ishwar. In between Ajay and Ishwar, Chandra is sitting. So in between A and E, C is sitting. David is not at the end. So Bhupati is that we'll write it here. Now David is sitting immediate left to Ajay. So immediate left to Ajay means this is Ajay, left to Ajay is this side. So here David is sitting. Now next one. Vinay is not sitting at the right hand. So what they said, right hand means this is the right hand. Vinay is not sitting there means, so first place is D, A, C, E, B. So Vinay will be here. So what the question? Who is immediate right of Vinay? Immediate right of Vinay is D, that is David. Now next 105. Observe the following sequence and choose the correct alternative in the place of question mark. 2 by 3, 4 by 7, 11 by 21, 16 by 31. Here see top, what is the numerator, what is following? 2, 4. So increased by 2. So we don't know this, so leave it. Next 11 plus 16. So increased by 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Increased by 5. So plus 2, plus 3, plus 4, plus 5. That is the that is a technique which is followed in the numerator. And denominator, see what is happening? 3. So double the numerator. 2 plus 2 4, minus 1 3. 4 plus 4 8, minus 1 7. 11 plus 11 22, minus 1 21. So double of the numerator minus 1. So what will be the here? See 2 by 3, 4 by 7. So next what will be there? Plus 2 plus 3. So 4 plus 3 7. So double of numerator 7 plus 7 14. 14 minus 1 is 13. So answer is option 3, 7 by 13. Now question number 106. We have to see the sequence and place the correct alternative in the given question mark. So here first we will consider this as two pairs, okay? Like first we'll consider C to F, F to I to L, L to O, okay? Then we will get this question mark. Next Z to X, X to V, V to T. Then we'll get this question mark. Yes or no? From here we'll get this question mark. From here we'll get this question mark. So see, C to F. From C to F means 1, 2, 3. Plus 3. So C to F, what we followed here? Plus 3. Next F to I. 1, 2, 3. So what is being followed there? Plus 3 is being followed. Yes or no? So C to F, F to I to L, or plus 3 is followed. Similarly Z to X. From Z we are moving to X. 1, 2, minus 2. X to V. 1, 2, minus 2. So here we are following plus 3. Here we are following minus 2. So the answer will be R and R. Because from O, see O, 1, 2, 3, 18. That is R. Now see from here minus 2. From T minus 2. Minus 2 means where we'll do? We'll go back. 1, 2. So that is also R. So R and R. Next 107. Similarly here also we have to find UPH, QDL, OBN map is given. Now let's see from back. P, N, L, in this way we are going. So what is minus 2? It's going always. So minus 2 means from here minus to J. Now next M. Now we will see the next in the first one. M, O, Q. So here what we are doing? Plus 2. So here the answer will be yes. So J and S. So midterm is double. That's it. P double. So S, H, J. Now next, in the following question, first two words have a certain relationship. Spider, insect. The crocodile, it's easy. Reptile. Now next, 109. Sugar is related to molasses in the same way gasoline is related to petroleum. Now observe. 3, 12, 27, 48, 75, 108. What will be the next term? So here 3 into 1 square. That is 3. Next 3 into 2 square. So 3 into 2 square is 12. Now see the next one. 3 into 3 square. So what we are doing for 3, 1 square, 2 square, 3 square and so on we are doing. So 3 into 4 square, 48. 3 into 5 square, 75. 3 into 6 square, 108. Similarly 3 into 7 square will be the answer, that is 147. Option 2. 112. Now here, sorry. triple one. Here code is given, we have to find out NOPQMLKJ. For HIJK, what is the code? So now we can see from here directly we can say from N minus 1, that is 14 minus 1, 13. So H minus 1. So H minus 1 is 7, that is G. So G, only one option is there. So directly we can say it's option 4. So the others also you can solve. So that is easy. Why to waste the time? Now, question number 112. Fire is written as QHOK, move is written as ZMWK. If we see, we don't get any code here, so it will be direct now. V, where is V here? See, last but one, V. So that is V is written as W. So all the options, so cancel out this, all starts with W. Next, E. E is written as K. So this all three are same. Next one, R. Where is R? Last but one, that is O. So this is cancelled. So O. Next one, M. Where is M here? Move. M. Z. So which is option? This is option. So 112. What is the answer? Option 1. Now Naveen walked 30 meters towards east. So now what he's saying? Naveen walked first. He walked 30 meters towards the east. Okay. Next, he took a right turn and walked 40 meters. Again, he took a right turn. Here, first he walked 30 meters. Okay, towards east, because this is east, I'm writing here. First, he walked here 30 meters and then took a right turn. This is left, this is right. So, he took a right turn and then walked 40 meters. I'll erase this. And then walked 40 meters. Then he took a left turn and walked 30 meters. From left turn means this side he will be going. So from here he walked, and how much? 30 meters. In which direction is he now from the starting point? Starting he was going in the east direction. Now he is in this direction. So what direction it is? Southeast direction. Now, which is the number in the square, ellipse and triangle? What they are asking? The number in the square, ellipse and triangle, all three. So what is the number? Easily we can say that is 5 here. 5 is only the both. Now which of the following is same as steel, bronze and brass? Answer for this is magnesium. Now next, select the suitable figure to complete the figure matrix. See, first 3 triangles are there, and then in between one line is given. Now what is happening? The first basic triangle one which is there, that is being removed. See here also similarly. The basic, what is this? This rectangle is removed, that slanting is removed. So only left out is this. So now here from basic, this rectangle is removed, this is removed. So what is left out? Cross marks. So answer is option 4. Now similarly the next one, 117th one, circle, triangle, rectangle. Okay, next again triangle, rectangle, circle. Now from inner if we see, or outer, whatever you want to see, you can see. First square, circle, the outer should be triangle. All triangles are given. Now go for inner, circle, triangle, and then what will come? Rectangle. So that is option 3. Here don't confuse, here they are not touching any side. Here this is touching, so don't get confused. So this is the answer. Now next one. If the circle represents professor, the circle represents professor, triangle represents doctors and engineer, triangle stands for doctors, this triangle is doctors D, and engineers are represented by the rectangle. Professors who are doctors are represented by professors, that is circle, who are doctors, that is triangle. They are professors and also this. So what is that? A. Answer is option 1. Now how many triangles are there? If you sit and count the triangles, you'll get it as 36. Now which digit will appear on the face opposite to the face of number 4? Opposite to number 4, what will be there? So directly we can say here for 3, see here 3 base is there, 3 is there. For 3, opposite cannot be 1, 2, 5 and 6. So what is left out? 4. So what is the face opposite to 4? It is 3. Now choose the alternative which mostly resembles a mirror image. They are asking mirror image for this. So mirror image means what? Left becomes right and right becomes left. So the answer is option 3, because see, the left becomes right, q will go this side and it's facing to left side, so it will come to right side. So all two options are cancelled, this will be there. Now next easy thing is u will be, it will be u only, but here what they made it as inverted will become in water image. So answer is option 3. Now this, see, now this is facing down, then this side, okay, then this side, then this side. Now the next one will face top. So answer is option 3. Question number 123rd. If 2 power 23 is divided by 5, what is the remainder? So for this, you can see 2 power 1, 2, 2 square 4, 2 square 3. Divide each all that by 5 and see what is the remainder. It repeats for every 4 numbers. Hence the power should be divided by 4. The pattern, it repeats. First 2 power 1, 2. Okay, 2 divided by 5, remainder is 2. Next 2 square 4. 4 divided by 5, remainder is 4. Like that 2, 4, 3, 1. Again it repeats 2, 4, 3, 1. That is repeating for every 4 power. So 23 divided by 4. 23 divided by 5, remainder is 3. Now question number 124. The sum of even numbers below 71 is to find the total number of even numbers. Total number of even numbers between 1 to 71, what we will do? 71 minus 1 by 2, that is 35. So what is the formula? N by 2 into first even number plus last even number. So n is 35, first even number is 2, last even number is 70. So 35 by 2 into 2 plus 70, that is 1260. Answer is option 1, 1260. Now 2 plus 2 square plus 2 cube, 2 power 4 plus 2 power 8 is. This question is deleted, so that's why we are leaving now. Now 5 3 by 40 plus 7 2 by 50 minus 8 by 120. Whenever it's given in the mixed fraction, take LCM of the denominators, make it equal so that it will be easy for us. So 40, 50 and 20, the LCM is 200. So now this will become 5 into 15 by 200 plus 7 into 8 by 200 minus 8 into 10 by 100. So 5 plus 7 minus 8. So 5 plus 7 minus 8 is 5 minus 1, that is 4. Similarly 15 plus 8 minus 10. So 15 minus 2, 13. So that answer is 413 by 200. Option 3. If one number is divided by 345, the remainder is 35. The same number is divided by 15, what is the remainder? If what I am telling, now we know when we do division, what we know, dividend is equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. Now what they told, if one number is divided by 345, if that number is x, x divided by 345 we are getting the remainder as 35. So x what will get? 345 into q plus, that is quotient, plus 35. Now if that same number, now this number is divided by 15, so x by 15 is equal to 345 into q plus 35 by 15. So x is equals to 15 into 345. How we can write? 15 into 23q plus 35. So 15, if I take common, 23q plus 2 plus 5. So when divided by 15, remainder is 5, because see this 345 which is there, if we make to divisible by 15, the remaining number will be the remainder. So 345 we are writing as 15 into 23. So 35, how we can write? 30 plus 5. So 15, if I take common, 23q plus 30 means 2 plus 5. So this is divisible by 15 means what is the remainder when divided by 15? Remainder is 5. Option is 2. If 70% of 2 by 5 of a number is 126, so 70% means 70 by 100 into 2 by 5 into a number x is equals to 126. So from that we can find x, that is 450. Answer is 450. Now what is the value of 683 into 683 into so on? Now if we think a is 683 and b is 317, see it's in the form of a cube plus b cube by a square minus ab plus b square. Yes or no? Now we know a cube plus b cube, we can write it as a plus b into a square minus ab plus b square, where a is 683, b is 377. So substitute and divide, what happens? Numerator and denominator that gets cancelled and we get 683 plus 317, that is 1000. Answer is option 3. Now next 130th one. If three numbers are in the ratio 2:3:5 and HCF is 8, what is the sum of those numbers? If three numbers are in the ratio 2:3:5, so we have taken as let the numbers be 2x, 3x and 5x, and from 2x, 3x and 5x, what will be the HCF say? HCF is x, because common is only x, and they gave HCF is 8, so x will get it as 8. Then what is the sum they are asking? So 8 2s are 16 plus 8 3s are 24 plus 5 8s are 40, that is 80. Answer is option 3, 80. Now LCM of two numbers is 180 and HCF is 15. Sum is 105. What is the difference? Now first let the two numbers be A and B. So what they give, sum of two numbers A plus B is 105. LCM is 180, HCF is 15, and we know that product of two numbers is product of their LCM into HCF. So product of two numbers A into B is equal to 180 into 15, that is 2700. Now we know the formula A minus B whole square is A square plus B square minus 2AB. Now this A square plus B square, how we can write? A square, A plus B whole square minus 2AB minus 2AB. Can we write like this? Yes. Now A plus B is 105 whole square minus 2AB minus 2AB is minus 4AB, that is minus 4 into 2700, that is 225. So we got A minus B whole square is 225. What they are asking here, difference between those two numbers. So A minus B whole square is 225, A minus B is equal to root of 225, that is 15. Answer is option 2, 15. Now 0.15 by 0.75 plus 0.30 by 0.6. So we know that 0.15 by 0.75 is 15 by 75, that is equals to 1 by 5, that is 0.2. And 0.30 by 0.06 is 30 by 6, that is 5. So 5 plus 0.2 is 5.2. Now whole cube, 5.2 whole cube is 140.6. So answer is option 4, 140.6. Now if A by B is 0.8, 6A plus 11B is 79, then A is equals to, now A is equals to, how we can write it? B goes there, 0.8 into B. Now let's substitute here. A 6 into 0.8 into B plus 7B is 79. So you'll get a 15.8, B is 79, B is 79 by 15.8, that is equals to 5. So what is A they are asking? So A, substitute in this, 0.8 into 5, that is equals to 4. Answer is option 1. If 1/4 of a wire is black color and half of the remaining is in white color, if we think this is a wire and what they give, 1/4 is in black color, B is black color, and half of the remaining, if this is 1/4, this will be 3/4. Yes or no? So in 3/4, half is in white, half of 3/4 is 3 by 8, and the rest 6 centimeters is blue in color. So rest is this is 6 centimeters, this is blue in color. Okay, so now what they are asking, what is total length? Now this is also 3/8 part, so this is 6 means this also will be 6th. Now 3/8 part is 6 means 1/4 part will be 4 centimeters. So total is 4 plus 6 plus 6, that is 16. Now sum of the cubes of first 20 natural numbers is, for this the formula we have n into n plus 1 by 2 whole square. They ask for first 20. So 20 into 20 plus 1, that is 21 by 2 whole square, that is 210 whole square. So 21 square, if we know that, it's easy for us, that is 44100, 44,100. So by this we completed all the 60 questions of this paper. Thank you.